Hi YouTube family, this is your boy Dr. R once again here at the Presidential Suite. Walking and heading to the pool. And not only the pool, I think I'll just go to the beach. I think I'll just give y'all guys a tour of the beach. Just look at all this here is just amazing and beautiful. People are having a wonderful time here on the beach. Just check out the amazing view. Check all this out. Fit for a royal king and queen. They got it reserved. They have them reserved.
Not all of them. Not the shrews. Hey, honey, how are you? Let me just grab it real quick.
Where you gonna sit at? No, don't give him no room. One momento.
Oh, habla español.
Yes, sí. This is how you live in the DR. Amazing. People out swimming. Out here boating. Yeah, the beach is beautiful. Just look at everyone. This is how you do it in the DR. Let's walk this way, son. Honey. Hey. Don't tell Mama we'll be right back. We're walking down the beach here. Enjoying the beach. This is what you do when you're in the DR. You walk the beach and be at peace. and have lots and lots of fun. We're here having ourselves an awesome time. Just check out the view. Look at the palm trees. Look how beautiful the ocean is. Subscribe and like and leave your comment in the comment section below. Hit the notification bell for the next latest and greatest upcoming content and footage. This is your boy Dr. R from Dr. R TV. We're here in the beautiful Dominican Republic. Bring y'all the view of the ocean. My son is getting all in the water. Look at the boat. The boat is out there sailing. People out there on the boat having themselves a wonderful time. This is what it's all about. Enjoying life. It's time for you to put all things aside and find out what is more valuable to you. And once you find out what is valuable to you, you need to put some interest into it. But as for me, this is what valuable to me. Come back, son. Making memories, enjoying life with my family, in happiness and peace and tranquility. Let's check this out. That's what it's all about. Going out, these people on the party boat, they having a good time. We're here having a good time. We just walking on the beach. Me and my son just enjoying the ocean view. We live in the expat life. A lifestyle is what we seek after. Enjoying the beauty of the ocean. Life is so great. Life is good. Things are awesome. People having a wonderful time. And this is what it's all about. Taking it all in. Here in Dominican Republic. Let's go, man. I think I see Spider-Man. What do you see? I think I see Spider-Man. Let's walk up here.
Yeah, I never hit Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, huh? Spider-Man. What an incredible day it is. It's nothing like it. As we can see, and as you see, so much is going on. COVID-19 is at its highest. It's best to do whatever you're going to do and do it big and great. But do it with the people you love. How about just an awesome vacation? Enjoy yourself with the ocean blue water here in the Dominican Republic. Or as you can see it. Until then, next time, bye-bye YouTube.